Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your Instagram username within 14 days. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Instagram app. So after opening the Instagram app, you have to go to your profile. Then you have to click on edit profile. So after doing that, you have to take a screenshot of your username page. You will need it on the later process. Then you have to go back. After that, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to scroll all the way down and you have to click on report a problem. You have to click on help and then you have to click on report a problem here. After that, you have to click on report a problem. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on include and continue. Then you have to click on upload here. After that, you have to attach the screenshot that you just have took. Then you have to describe here that you want to change your username, just like this. I want to change my username. Now I can't do it. Please help. So after typing this, you have to click on send and Instagram will connect to you, or Instagram will send you the solution within 24 hours and you will able to change your username within 14 days. And I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.